and yellow. Hi guys, it's night. Good night. Night. So I don't know, but guys, today we're gonna make our own files. This is my two for files, but I decided to make two for them, for and my other friend. This is my bestie from now and for my other bestie, guys. So this is what it looks like. So I got through three flip files because I wanted to make this two also like ready for me. Like I want to make it like look right and like be like ready to go to school. But now I decided to give them away and make them beautiful. So she's gonna do it with me.
Yes.
So this is what we got in here. I used to play with these things now. I'm not gonna play with it again. I'm gonna make it real and let someone take it at least. Okay, guys, we're just discussing our personal business. It's not like we're talking behind your back, guys. Sorry if you think we're talking behind your back. That is like pakkies of my kika. I think it's kind of pakkies of That was my best friend when I was like 8 in Memphis school, guys, and now I'm here. So I'm gonna tell my best friend's names. For the Q, it means Kunisa Collide. For the M, it's me, Michelle Wikin. For the J, Jacqueline Williams. And for the T, it's Tazari Kesab. That was a boy, actually. I don't know. My friend, this friend, Kunisa Jacqueline, actually had a crush on him because he was like the most popular ass in our class, guys. But I didn't have a crush on him. Guys, okay, the time is running out, I think. So this is just my work that I got from the grade 4 and I'm grade 5 usually. This is what the other school, so I'm playing with it usually. So this is like creative kunsten. Creative kunsten. Skepende kunst julle. Visuele kunsten. So dat is visuele kunsten en maar net dit gedoen. Guys, sorry for talking my home language. And this is also skipping the guns, guys. All the skipping the guns stuff. Gonna put it one side. Then I'm going to get this also. This is like, I don't know what is this. I think we are just going. This is also skipping the guns stuff, guys. And all this is just like usual stuff. But guys, time for part 2. We're gonna do a part 2 right now, guys. Okay? Go watch part 2, guys.